Decision is looming on whether or not the Dothan City School Board violated the open meetings law when hiring their new superintendent. WDHN's Robert Smith joins us live with more. Robert?
Yeah, hey Joseph, although the judge couldn't make a decision today after hearing both arguments, the party that filed the complaint say they hope this will shine a light for elected officials to be transparent despite the outcome. News blogger Ricky Stokes and Mark Boardman, representing the Dothan City School Board, sparred in court for an injunction hearing to determine if the school board violated Alabama open meetings law when hiring Superintendent Dr. Garrick Askew.
The judge heard the facts. The Alabama open meetings law legislature wrote it so squirrely so that people that are elected to office can get by with anything.
Stokes testified in court that someone on the school board came up with enhanced qualifications behind closed doors to require a doctorate degree and prior superintendent experience. Yet no one admitted to coming up with the requirements and voted on it in March. The same month, the next meeting, the board dropped the requirement of prior experience. In June, the board hired attorney Mark Boardman to negotiate the contract after a motion by Brett Strickland, which was not on the agenda. Stokes believes the board violated open meetings law on 2 occasions, hiring Boardman outside of parameters and not discussing the contract in the public's eye.
4 that we've had have not been the right people because they're playing games.
All he wants to do is make sure every meeting, every government meeting is held out in the open so we as citizens know exactly what is going on behind those closed doors with the board. He doesn't have any problem at all with the selection.
Boardman argued that Stokes' complaint should have been filed much earlier than July. He also says under open meetings, each meeting stands on its own, regardless on if the board was wrong in a prior meeting. As far as the contract, he says it was a draft and it doesn't have to become public until it's finalized. He also questioned Stokes about living in Dothan and questioned his standing to file the complaint since he does not have kids in DCS and filed it for himself. Despite the outcome, Stokes believes he has done his part informing the public.
What's been going on, and especially with this 4-3 vote. He can't accomplish anything. Let's get on and put the children first.
Now, Judge Todd Derrick took the case under advisement and will rule on it soon. We'll keep you updated on air and online. Back to you, Joe.